Okay, so I just wanted to show you how to make a brochure using Google Slides. Remember that if you are a student at WASA, you automatically have a Google um, email, and that means you have access to all the Google apps. So you would just go up into the corner where your Google account is, click on that. Oh, usually, hang on. If you clicked on that normally, you'd get the little waffle screen and you would pull up Google Slides. Google Slides is a lot like PowerPoint if you ever used PowerPoint. And it's basically just an easy way to work with images and different elements. I find it a little easier to use than, say, Google Docs. But you don't have to use it. You can use Google Docs if you want to use that. This is what I would use. So I wanted to show you the setup I started with. Remember that on a brochure, it's two sides of an 8.5 by 11 page. So on the one page, you'd have the front cover way over here on the right. In the middle, you would have the back cover. And then over here, you would have page 5. And then this would be like the inside of a brochure. Once you open it all up, page 2, page 3, page 4. So I don't have any easy way to share a template with you. Otherwise, I would just do that. But to show you how you can get your things set up like this. Now, you don't have to set it up this way. This just helps me think about the fact that I've got basically 6 little mini pages. So I would grab a new slide. I would click on that and get rid of that, delete it. Okay, now what I would do is go over to insert and I would grab a table. And I want a table that has 3 windows, but no rows, just one, like just one row, I guess, basically. Now I'm gonna pull this all the way up to the top of the screen. Oh, wait, you know what? I just realized before I go any further, this is not an 8.5 by 11. You can see that. So for me to fix that, I need to go over to File, go to Page Setup. Right now it says widescreen. I want custom. I'm going to put the actual items in here. So here you want the 11 because we're doing it landscape orientation. And then over here we want 8.5. Okay, 8.5. Let's see how that works. Oh, having trouble reloading. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm having internet connectivity issues here. It is a very rainy day where I'm at. Let me try one more time. 11 by 8.5. Okay, let's stop